Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Hairspells. They sent me over 3 packs of their PU seamless clip-ins. Yes, it's giving invisible install, okay? So I'm very excited to show you guys these. The hair came out beautiful. If you guys want to see everything that comes with it and see how I installed it, give you some of my tips and tricks on installing these very, very quick clip-ins, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. Also, one more thing, I am having a giveaway. So if you guys want to win some free hair or gifts or anything like that, leave a comment below with your Instagram so I can contact you there so you can enter in the giveaway, okay? Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. So we are working with Hairspells today. They sent me over 3 packs of their PU seamless clip-ins. I'm not sure what PU stands for, but it's a type of tape-in clip-in. So it looks like it's a tape-in, but there's really clips on the other side, and it's supposed to ensure that you have a flat, natural install, but with half of the time because they're clip-ins. And I don't know if you guys know, but tape-ins are gonna take a lot more time than just clipping in your extensions. So let me open this up and show you guys what's inside. So inside you will get a card with their QR code, all of their social medias inside, about their story, how to maintain, all that good stuff. Also get a little hairpin that says Miss. 3 packs of the 20-inch Eurasian clip-ins. Did I say 20 inches already? So yeah, so each one of these packs, as you can see, it says 20 here, has, it comes in a 7-piece set. So just to give you an idea, when you do buy tape-in sets, like, or pack or whatever, it usually comes with 7 pieces. This is 120 grams of hair. I prefer more like 200, 220, 250 because I like a full head of hair, and my natural hair is extremely thin. So that's why I asked them to send me 3 packs so I can at least use like 1.5 or, you know, 2 packs depending on how this looks when I put it in. So, oh, hold on. Ooh, I thought my eyelash was about to fall off. Okay. So let me go ahead and open up one of these packs so we can see what this looks like. So it's going to look like this when you get the pack. And as you can see, these PU clip-ins, they look like tape-ins, but they have the clip on the other side. So this is what it looks like. This is what the bundles are looking like. You can see all the little clips in there. This hair feels nice though. Like, let's just get into it. Oh, this is also a BodyWave. This is also a BodyWave. I didn't tell you that, but like, just catch the bounce though. And this is Eurasian. I haven't had Eurasian hair in a long time. This is the 4-piece, and this actually does hold a lot of hair. These are constructed in a way where it's supposed to have like no shedding, or like very, very minimal shedding. And so I think that's what these wefts are. How it's constructed, it's supposed to eliminate shedding. So yeah, this is the 4-clip strip, which looks very, very full. It's definitely about to add some life into this, because what is this? What is this that I call my hair? This is... Anyway, so this is what it's looking like all together. I feel like this is it's a perfect amount to just add on to your hair, especially if you just want a little bit more volume. So I'm gonna use more than just 1 pack because I just want it to look as full as possible, and I just want to put as many in as possible. We're gonna quickly put this in my hair, and it's gonna be super fast, and that is a perk of getting clip-ins. Clip, clip, and go. So all I like to do is just take my comb like right above my ears, my rat tail comb, and do my first part going straight across. This like technique isn't anything like special or anything. Let me show you guys. Let me turn around real quick so you guys can see. This is all the hair I have down. And I have an undercut, which I'm thinking about growing out, or I'm thinking about cutting it. I don't know. But so that's all I have, and then I'm gonna set the first like the 3 clip right here. So I'm gonna take this 3 clipper. I'm gonna unclip all of them, open them up, put the middle one right in the middle, or where I feel like is the middle. Well, let me turn around so you guys can see. Clip this one right here. Clip this one right here. And it's nice and snug. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on doing that. Like, honestly, you can put the clip-ins in the back on without even looking. You really don't need to look to do this. You just need to feel. And once you do this a couple times, like, you'll just be able to just clip this in real quick. And now I'm gonna try to go like all the way across, like from ear to ear. So I'm gonna use the 4 clip one right here, or I'm gonna use the 4 clip one next, and I'm literally just doing the same thing. Dig those combs right on the roots. And my roots are like a little bit curly and rough right now, so that's actually very helpful. Because the straighter your hair is, I feel like the more loose fitting it's gonna be. So some people, they like to like tease their roots a little bit just so the comb will have something to latch onto and be more secure. But I'm not gonna lie, these clips are nice and firm and they feel good. All right, so I'm gonna keep going up. Turn around so you guys can see how high I am up on my head. I'm only right here, which is just like right above my ears. I haven't even gone up that high yet. So I'm gonna take the last 3 clipper, put it in the middle, the others on the side. All right, nice and secure. All right, so I have like this much area left that I would like put clips in. You can see this side, so that makes it easier for you. But then honestly, it'd be making it easier for you, but then you just try to be more perfect, because now you can see when really it don't even need to be perfect. Like, it really don't. Like, it really don't. So this is this section, and I'm just gonna put a 2 clipper like right here, but not bring it too far to the front. Like, I don't want it to come any closer to like this. So I want it to fit like right in here. Here. I want it to be as flat as possible. There we go. Now I have 2 one-piecers. Honestly, okay, let's see how much this looks. Like, let's see how this looks right now. Okay, so this is definitely giving like low-key mullet. But do you see why I wanted to get more than 1 pack? Because I like a full head of hair. So this is almost all of it. I just have these 2 one-pieces left, but I really want to save the one-piecers for up here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up that other pack, put those long pieces back here on the crown, and then work my way back up at the top, okay? don't know what it looked like back there, but it feels good. All right, so I'm gonna go up one more time, or I'm gonna go up a couple more times because I want to put 2 more 3-pieces on here. 3-piece right on top of there. How's that looking? Hopefully it's not too bumpy. It's flat though. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. These angles be hard to catch, y'all. It'd be hard to catch. Okay, so I have 2 more 2 clips and 4 1 clips. Honestly, let's bring everything forward and see where we're at now. Yes, we're making progress. We're definitely making progress, but it's looking like I'm gonna use that last bundle though. I'm gonna use that last bundle though, cause I just want it to be fuller. Like, you can't tell me nothing when my hair is full. You can't tell me nothing, okay? How far, like, hold on, what do I want to do? Do I want to do a middle part or a side part? Because I'm still deep. I think I'm going to do a middle part. I know we have 2 more 3-pieces. I don't know if I'm going to use those. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use those. I think those might be too long. Might be too long, so let me shave those. Let's start from the back. This is the last 2 clip. All right, I'm going in with a 1 clip right here. These are so flat. Do you see how flat that is? It's so flat. What else I like too is that if you don't like the position you put it in, it's so easy to take out and just reposition it. Like that. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, and then I'm just put this last one right here. Okay, so this side is done. And I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and curl this real quick. I'm going to use my little pink wand because it's quick. And I have to go to work, so I'm going to need to hurry up. So I'm going to pin this side up while I do the other side. All right, you guys. So I'm done curling the hair. I think I wanna like brush this out or finger this out a little bit. But the hair curled really nicely, and it seems like it's gonna hold the curl. The curl is curling. All right, y'all. So I'm so mad. I don't know why I curled this side better than this side. I don't know what's going on. These are 20-inch tape-ins, Eurasian, and BodyWave. Okay, and I used almost 3 packs. I have 2 3-clip bundles left. I definitely could have squeezed these in somewhere, but it all just depends on how you do your parting. I think it came out pretty good. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Hold on, let me fluff it out because I just had it all pushed forward. This hair is from Hairspells, and I used almost 3 full packs. Each pack is 120 grams. So yeah, so now you have a little idea. One thing I will say is I wish this hair had a little bit more body, but it is giving full, and the texture is more like, I don't want to say it's like more like my texture, but kind of like it's more like my straightened hair texture, but just a lot fuller. But yes, I think it looks really good. I'm definitely about to wear this to work today. I'm hot though. Oh, this is a lot of hair. But yes, so make sure you guys check out Hairspells for your tape-ins. Again, these are seamless. I'm sorry, not tape-ins, clip-ins. These are seamless PU clip-ins, and they are made to be seamless and invisible, okay? So very, very flat, and they are living up to that 100% sure. Like, look how flat. Like, that is flat, okay? So I definitely appreciate that, okay? And yes, I mean, she definitely got body and movement, and she looking full of shit. So yeah, I'll take her. Yes, I give her a thumbs up. She's winning. And the benefits of clip-ins are you can take them out at the end of the night. You don't have to sleep in them. They're very, very fast to put in. They're definitely a on-the-go hairstyle. And you could wear a half up, half down if you want to. I wish I had more time to do a half up, half down with these and show you guys. But yes, and they are very, very flat, okay? So nobody's clocking the roots. I think I want to do my little baby hairs a little bit. I don't know. I kind of been liking just having my natural just hairline sometimes. But yes, thank you again, Hairspell, for sending me over these clip-ins. They are beautiful. Make sure you guys check them out. All the information will be in the description box below. Also, a discount code I'm sure will be in there as well. So do not skip the description box. Also, I am having a giveaway, so make sure you guys leave a comment in the description box with your Instagram so I can contact you on there. If you win the giveaway, I'm giving away free hair and gifts and the giveaway. So if you want to win something like that, some free hair, some free wigs, whatever, make sure you guys leave a comment and leave your Instagram in the comments. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.